Assalamualaikum everyone. So today we are gonna make a flower ring. Okay. So first of all, let's start with a gem. We are gonna take around the size of 5 mm. Okay. Now we are gonna take the gem profile to make the to have some curves around it and make the offset curve of the shape. Okay. So first of all, we are gonna make the curve. We have got the curve. Now we are gonna patch it. And then we are going to trim the surface from the center. Now what we are gonna do is we have to take an offset curves to make the shape, or you can say that we have to make a solid surface. Okay. We are gonna flip the arrows upward. We need it on the upper side. Okay, then the gauge that we are gonna make is 0.5 mm. It depends how much weight of a ring you want. So I have to make a lightweight ring, that's why I'm taking 0.5. You can take even 1 mm. Now we are going to make the cylinders. Okay. So guys, a little talk that I have made a channel to help you guys make 3D jewelry designs using matrix 8 and 9. Okay, let's come to the point now. We are going to make the cylinder. Cylinder, basically it is a area which can cover the gem, so the gem doesn't go away. It will be cut after the design is completed. We will take it about 0.5 mm, 0.5, and the length will be, you can see that it's 1 mm. Okay. From through finger area you can see that it's 1 mm. One box is 1 mm. Okay. Now we are making fillet edges. Okay, fillet edges. Now what we are gonna do is, as earlier I told you, that gem is also needed to be rotated. Now we are rotating the gem just in the perfect way as it is required. It should be absolutely perfect. Okay, uh, I think that's good. Alright, now as you can see that it's absolutely clear. So now what we're gonna do is, first of all, open the looking down tab. Now the command of array color comes up again, and pressing the F4, as I told you that it comes in the center. Items should be like 16. Let's try 16. That's good. Sounds good to me. Okay then. So now guys, you can see that our surface is made up. Okay, our front area, which is the most important part of our ring, is completed. Okay then, you can see that all the surfaces are connected with each other. Now what? Now we are going to make the downside area of the ring, which will hold all these gems and the center diamond, including the cylinders of the ring. Okay then, I think that we should first close the history. Closing the history will allow us to create a better circle for the downward area. Okay then, now we are gonna take the offset curve. Offset curve will be 0.5. Left click. That's good. That's good. Now we're gonna select it, pressing shift, patch it again. Okay, trim center area. That's good. Okay, then it's now we're gonna give it an offset surface. It will be around like 0.5. That's good. 0.5 mm is good. Throw finger area, making it just in the center, so that the cylinder, outside area of the cylinder, joins up with the downside area. It's basically this circle surface that we have made. It is a point where all these gems and the center of the diamond is attached and connected with, and it will hold this. Okay, throw finger area just a little bit up so that it connects perfectly. This so you can see that side is not covered. We are gonna make it just a bit bigger, so that all these circle sides of it are the cover. Now go through the side view, and you can see that from this angle it's also a bit smaller. We're gonna make it big like this. Okay, now you can see that all the cylinders are connected with the downward circle surface. So guys, front side is almost done and completed. Now what we're gonna do is again select these curves and hide them. Okay, then now we will take this gem upside and set it just on the perfect angle. Okay, that's good. I think that it should be a bit down, a little bit more. That's good. Perfect. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. We will try our level best to teach you as good as it is possible. If you want to ask any question, you can comment in the comment section. I will definitely reply you all. Okay, now I have created a ring circle around 19 mm size, which is default size. You can say that mostly it is used. We are just setting the stone and the surfaces on the surface area where the curves will be, where the curves and the gem profile will be taken again. Now just wait, it's called profile placer. Okay, all right. So guys, basically this line that I am drawing is, it will be both sides, because now what we have to do is to trim the circle from the center, because the ring that we are making now, it should be from the line and the end point. Okay, center will be trimmed. Just wait and watch how it's gonna be done. Okay, center will be trimmed. Just wait and watch how it's gonna be done. As you can see now that we have make a curve which is required for the ring. Now what we are gonna make it, we are going to make a profile placer. This is where it all comes up. The curve will go there, and you can see that we have got a shape like editing area, which we are gonna make it. So guys, now first of all we have to take a shape for the ring. Okay, handle of the ring shape, shank profile. You can see that all the shapes will come up here. Make it a bigger size right now. Okay, that's good. So basically I always choose this size, box shape, and it is the one that is used normally. Width I have decided 2 mm, and height you can see it from here. Okay, now you have to select this from the mid circle position on curve, and we are going to make it just at the top 100%. Now we will decide the height. Okay, I have made it on the top, so just to decide the height, what height will I am gonna take of the ring. Right now it's quite a huge size, so now we are going to make it small from this area. That's better, that's better. Little bit more. Okay, that's good. That's absolutely fine. 0.73 mm is the height. Okay, right. Now we are going to click right click, and the curve of the upper side is done. Again we are going to select the curve first of all, and that's good. I think that's good, that's fine. Now we are going to select the curve, and now it's the time that we go around the midpoint area. Midpoint area is where the shape we will change just a little bit of the shape. Okay, you can see that I am decreasing the width on the above front side. It was 2 mm, now I have done it 1.5 mm, and the height is 0.81 mm, just to make it little good. From starting to ending it will close a bit. Okay, that's completed. Now just the end side is remaining. Okay, then width less than a bit of 1 mm, height 0.88 mm. That's completed. now we're going to have press the right click. So you can see that the shape of the ring side handle is completed. Now it's a special command that we're gonna use. We call it sweep one command. In the surface area we will find it. We are going to the surface area. Okay, surface area. Then we are going to use sweep one command on the work side. First of all, we will select the first ring rail. Then we will select the cross selection curves 2 and the 3. Okay, then right click, and now going to the perspective angle, you can see that all the arrow are on the equal sides. Right click. So yes, we have got the shape, our shape. You can see that almost our work is almost completed. We have got a ring rail. Center is connected with the ring rail. I think just a bit is missing. So what we're gonna do is highlight all this and make it a bit downward. So basically guys, this is the design that we were required to make. You can see that it's empty from the inside and it won't work. So now what we're gonna do is just go to the solid cap planer, and you can see that now it's solid from the inside also. It's almost done. Now what we're gonna do is just a bit bigger so that it's connected with the ring rail. Okay, now I think we should mirror the ring rail on the other side also, so that it's completed. We will go on the throw finger area, highlight it with the green color, and then mirror it, pressing the F4 command to pick it from the center. That's it. You can see that all the sides are covered up and the ring is perfectly poised up and ready. Okay, you can see all the side angles are completed and covered up. One thing that's missing, that we have also highlighted our gems with green color. It was a mistake. I didn't see it coming up. So what we are gonna do is pressing shift and selecting all the diamonds and making it the color we want.